Hi, this is your policy update from Undergraduate Student Government. In 2004, Arizona voters passed Proposition 200, part of which includes a requirement to provide proof of citizenship when registering to vote. In June 2013, the Supreme Court ruled that this requirement is preempted by the National Voter Registration Act and therefore is invalid. In October of 2013, Attorney General Tom Horne issued a legal opinion stating while proof of citizenship may not be allowed as a requirement to register to vote on the federal level, Arizona could still make it a requirement for state and local elections. This has led to the creation of a two-track voting system.
You will either receive a full ballot that contains all of the races on the federal, state, and local levels, or you will receive a ballot with only the federal races on it. So, if you receive the ballot with just federal races, you'll be able to vote for offices such as the President, Senate, and House of Representatives. You will not be able to vote in city council races or for the state legislature, which will only be available on the full ballot.
You need to be able to prove you are a citizen. If you are an in-state student with an Arizona driver's license or identification card, this is very easy. You can fill out a state registration form or write down your license number for your identification. You could also fill out the federal registration form with the last 4 digits of your social security number, and that will be cross-referenced with the state driver's license database to confirm your citizenship.
If you want to vote the full ballot, there are a few options in addition to the state license that you can use to prove your citizenship. The two most common for ASU students will be a copy of your passport or birth certificate. So you can fill out a federal voter registration form and use the last 4 digits of your social security number as your identification number. But you will also need to attach a copy of either of those documents or present them at the county recorder's office when you turn in your form.
Especially as students of a publicly funded university, it is important for us to realize that it is our state-level government that decides how much funding our school receives. That in turn affects the resources we have and the tuition we pay in order to attend ASU. Our city officials also have a lot of jurisdiction over things that affect us directly as students, such as public transportation, bicycle lanes, and noise ordinances.
USG wants to make sure that any qualified student who wants to vote in this state is able to do so as easily as possible. Don't hesitate to contact us through email, Facebook, or even just stop by the 3rd floor of the MU and talk to someone in person. We will help you to determine exactly what you need to do in order to register properly.